Hello, this is Linda Carruthers, and I wanted to show you my haul that I got from Debbie Ramsey of Notions of Beauty. She comes on Wednesday nights um, around 6 o'clock my time, which is Central Standard Time. So I don't know what time y'all's time is, but it's 6 o'clock Standard Time. 6 or 7, I can't remember which. She was on Sunday nights and now she went to Wednesday nights. Um, oh, y'all gonna have to hold on a minute. Sorry, I was interrupted. My cat was wanting out, um, or wanting in, or whatever. Anyway, it's finally hushed. Okay, on Debbie Ramsey, she has paper supplies and she has lace and trims and things like that. And this is what I got off of her. There was a paper card sheet, and a tag sheet. And the tag sheet, I've already cut it up because I was thinking about working on it, and my daughter got sick, and I took it with me to the doctor's office, cut it up. But these are the tags. I'll show you the tags. Show you the back. This was okay. One of these. Hold on. One of these was SVB677. That's the name up there. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it. Sorry for my handshake. My left hand shakes so bad sometimes I can't stand. And this one is SBB676. So one's a cardstock and uh, uh, one's a card sheet and the other one's a tag sheet. This is what the tags look like. And the back of them all have the same backing. Okay. And these are pretty good sized cards. These are like I want to say 2x4s or 2x5s, 2x4s. And you get all of these on one sheet. Mm, this is what the back looks like. Okay. Now, this was also, whoops, this was also on the tag sheet. These are the circles. This one looks like a clock. That's roses. And this is pink and green flowers. Okay, now the card stock comes looking like this. These are like cards. And this is the writing side, and then this is the picture side. So these are 4x6s, I want to say, or 3x5s, or whatever. These make good journaling cards. This is the bird, and this is the journal side of it. Sorry, I had to have something to do to keep my nerves calm. Uh, my daughter has uh, been diagnosed with having um, uh, edema, stage 4. It's edema behind the eyes. They don't know whether she has a tumor or if it's just fluid they got to draw off. But she just got diagnosed Friday, so we're kind of this, and I'm doing this just because it's something I can do while I'm sitting here instead of thinking about the situation. So y'all just keep her in your prayers when you pray for her, when y'all pray. Okay, so that's the card stuff. Now I also got this. This is 8x8, and this is Samperia House of Roses scrapping book, and there's 10 double-faced sheets in there, and it's 8x8 sheets, and uh, I'll show you one of them at a time. Okay, there's that one. I got this one. It's got print on it. This is cards, and this is the back of the cards. This page, this wood. So you could actually use this like if you had a men's journal or a male journal that you wanted to use, you could use this in that in that. Excuse me. This got a picture of a bird in a birdhouse. You could use that to write on. Got this picture here. This is pink flowers and green leaves and kind of a whitish background. More of a pinkish white background. This has got a lattice at the bottom. There's a bird. This one's a little different from the other one. This is the clock with a pink background. There's the fence again, but it's a different color fence. It's white and green with pink flowers on it. There's your pink roses down at the bottom. Good place to write or put something on. There's the background, and there's the back of that, so you can use that for writing. Then you got this page where you can write. You could take that if you didn't want to use that for that. You could cut this out and put you a picture here and use this for your frame and then put this on the back for writing on it. But now there's your fence again. Then there's another place you can write, and it's got writing place on it. And then you got your tags and your clocks right there. And these are about the same as the ones I just showed you, those bigger ones. And then there's the background on that. And then this is, believe it or not, I want to say that's spools, like spools of thread, antique spools. That's what it looks like. And then that's the back on that. Now, that was that. Now, this, whenever you order stuff from Debbie Ramsey, Notions of Beauty, uh, if you order some small things, she always sends them in a bag. And it's a pink bag. And your bag, when it gets shipped to you, will come in a pink bag like this. Okay? And um, she always, when she sends this bag, she always sends you this beautiful, hold on a minute. She always sends you this beautiful little pink polka dotted bow with a gold twist. Okay? Now, I, this is my first time to ever order some dies. This is from Samperia, and it's called. What's my cat with hers? uh, I'm gonna say flowery rose. Rose. I can say what it says up there, right here, but it's the light touch. I'm not gonna take them out of there, but you got bicycles. Yeah. Well, yeah. I ordered 2 bags of those, so I got 2 bags. And let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Okay, there it is. Alright, you got all kinds of little things. I'm not going to go into the little ones. But there's the bicycle with the flowers on it. You got butterflies. You got a door. Another butterfly. A fence. A wheelbarrow with flowers in it. You got a rose. You got a fence. You got some butterfly tags. Got another rose. You got a birdhouse. You got a bird on the tag. Got a beautiful bird. And you got a thing for your clock. A hand pretty clock. You got a round one. Y'all gonna have to hush. It's called House of Roses is what it's called. Then you got another rose. Got some more roses. Pink roses. You got this is roses, flowers. You got this is flowers. And that's my dog Ellie. She gets upset at every little noise. This is a bird, another birdhouse. And this one says, take time to take time to be happy or something. I don't know. Okay, there's another one. There's a butterfly. There's this window. Bobby, hush a minute. I'll be with you in a minute, baby. I know it. You don't know what you want. Okay. Now this is a table and chair. This is flowers. There's a kitty kitty. Yeah, there's a kitty kitty. And there's another kitty kitty. Yeah, there's 2 kitties in this package, Bubby. And then there's another tag, another window, another clock, and another door. Okay, so that's what's in there. Now, I also ordered, she had some trim. She had this blue trim with blue and green trim. Oh, excuse me. So I got that. And there's about a yard of this in there. Now, she had this and trim, and I ordered 2 yards of this. Um, this is white with pink flowers and green leaves in it. There's 2 yards of that. Now, I also got, this was a thank you from her. She always sends you a little bag that has thank you written on it. She sends you some goodies in it. And it was this pink trim. And this is like a pretty pink. Okay, it's about 1.5 inches, I guess. Then There's I'm gonna say there's a yard of it, almost a yard, almost a yard. Okay. She sent me this white foam rose and this pink flower. She sent me these two, this little butterfly and this little butterfly and this. Oops, where'd it go? Where did it go? Where did you go? Okay. Anyway, it's a little flower. It's like a gem thing. I don't know where it went. I'll have to look for it. But anyway, that's what she sent me. And so, if on Wednesday nights around 6 or 7 o'clock, you can find her. She's on Facebook, and you can check her out. She's does good on her sales, and she has a good price, a fair price. And y'all take care. Have a good day. Comment down below, and I'll put her link down below. Okay. Bye bye.